Sanjanthong unlikely to be completed before Sangay Festival. Chief Minister instructs early completion of the bridge. Ima Kaithal showcased in an exhibition at India International Centre, Delhi. And Justice for Sarita campaign ends with presentation of Rs 1,20,000 to Sarita. Hello and welcome. You're watching Impact Prime Time News. I'm Butcher Malambam with the top stories. Peoples hope to see the completion of Sanjanthong Bridge connecting Imphal East and West before the commencement of Sangay Festival 2015 will be shattered this year also, as the bridge is unlikely to be completed before the annual festival. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi has instructed early completion of the bridge. An emergency meeting was convened over the matter this morning by Chief Minister and directed to complete the construction before Sangay Festival. Works Minister and top officials of PWD were also present in the meeting. According to sources, representatives of Simplex Company, the agency executing the work, were not present at the meeting. Okram Ibobi instructed to summon the director of the company immediately to monitor the construction work. It is also learned that manager of Simplex Company will arrive tomorrow at Imphal to oversee the construction of the bridge. Offering a platform to women artisans from the conflict-ridden region India to Manipur to showcase their skill and facilitate their survival, a new exhibition, Ima Kaithal Noticed India's Mothers With Peace in Delhi, opened on September 21 at Men Building, India International Centre, Lodi Estate in Delhi. The show that began on Monday evening is scheduled to go on till September 25. The organizers said the event is a humble initiative to provide livelihood and acts as a healing touch to the fractured lives of women and children so that their lives can go on with a new-found courage. The focus of the program is the economic empowerment of underprivileged and violence-affected women through skill development. The show is based on the popular concept of all women's markets prevalent in Manipur. Locally known as Ima Kaithal or Mother's Market, it is a space where women gather at different locations across the state to sell their products. Organized by Kafi and Manipur Women Gun Survivors Network, the exhibition, which is underway at the India International Centre here, also has a collection of exhibits produced by women of other northeastern states like Assam, Nagaland and Meghalaya, besides Chittagong hill tracks in Bangladesh. Manipur today observed the Light the Way Action 2015 ahead of the Sustainable Development Goals with the aim of saving the people and the planet. The United Nations General Assembly is adopting a set of 17 International Development Goals known as Sustainable Development Goals (SDG). The event was organized at Nupilal Complex by Human Rights Alert Manipur and Big Sisters League. The day is also being observed in different parts of the world to create awareness among the people.
Nupaga nupiga khongmanana chawkhatminaba HIV/AIDS thingba amadi mase reverse tawba laiba environment si safe tawba pina ngang pokoda sibagi changse handahanba infant mortality masiguma mayamse prithvi gi oina thamaga mase pulap inminnaraga United Nations ki level dagi mase achieve tawdanaba chahi 15 gi manungde achieve tawse 2000 da wasat nagibani Like young TV, only the day, Ramanasi and Katumatanda, highly goals in say, I am not fulfilled of it. Matangi Lakuba, Sahi Taramanagi would see the so short an effect of the one. Mali Milo in leaders in the decision for the Lori. Masiki decision see Waham Tarabat Tare.
A one-day awareness program for scheduled caste category under special component plan was held today at Institute of Cooperative Management, Laphilpat. The program was jointly organized by National Labour Cooperative of India, New Delhi and Institute of Cooperative Management, Imphal under the sponsorship of Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India. The program was attended by 100 persons from the state. Speaking at the program, Registrar Cooperative Societies Dr. Harmit Singh Pahuja appealed to the people of the state to come forward and avail the benefits of several schemes provided by the centre. Chairman of ICM L. Tompishak Singh said the term of the society has been extended from 3 years to 5 years.
Any makal ki society koi tamu polisi sahi ahum moiram bado koi sahi manga satnaragani sahi manga salagadoriba koi ki tam se register toriba tongan tongan makal ki register ba weaving oiro adegi poultry oiro makal ki society agi the register toriba singna tamu polisi sahi ahum moiram bado sahi manga oirani sahi manga se masi koi manak nak disu singa district disu singa yarsia sekatane biraga koi.
The representatives of Manipur Travels Forum Delhi along with 5 delegates of Autonomous District Council Churachandpur met President Pranab Mukherjee and Union Minister of Tribal Affairs Joel Oram on Tuesday. They requested centre's intervention to resolve the problems faced by the tribal people in Manipur. The delegation also submitted memorandum to the President and the Minister highlighting the major concerns of the Hill people. President and the Minister assured the delegations that they will do the necessary. The delegation requested Pranab Mukherjee to meet MHA Internal Security Secretary Ashok Prasad, who visited Churachandpur yesterday, and consult him before he takes any decision on the 3 bills. Northeast Forum for International Solidarity (NEFIS) is organizing an essay competition on the 119th birth anniversary of Jananeta Hizam Irabot. The competition is on the relevance of Irabot's legacy in contemporary times. Participants should submit the essays to NEFIS by September 28. The best 3 essays will be read out on the occasion of Irabot Day, organized by NEFIS Irabot Celebration Committee on September 30. Irabot Day Celebration Committee, Hairok, observed the 119th birth anniversary of Jananeta Hizam Irabot yesterday at Hairok Eastern Sporting Union Community Hall. CPI leaders, including CPI Manipur Secretary General M. Nara and Joint Secretary L. Sotin Kumar, participated in the observance. Coalition for Indigenous Right campaign Sarkar today held a protest against the merger agreement 1949 at Purai Romba Imakaitel in Palace Compound. Sarkar said Manipur was an independent country before it merged with India. Women vendors and people living in the area took part in the protest. Markets and shops in the area remained closed today.
Iramdang gi ilomi kan banatana iri paksu kan janabgi damakta ngasi dharna phandarimni akhoi Manipur sna dia tinggiba madrasna ta sakhiba matam dadi akhoi Manipur se amna awaje thingni amna mine amadi chathagi maramna hoji akhoi iramdam ji ingna chingna tapna leini badangta akhoi smain tawna akhoi majara se akhoi Manipur miyam sna pamjadri haidana akhoi phamjaban.
Maram Battalion under the aegis of Senapati Brigade of Red Seal Division presented solar lanterns to Mission's English School, Bandramai village of Senapati district on September 21. In a press release, the PRO Defence said as the village is in an interior area, the people are deprived of basic amenities like electricity. Assam Rifles had killed 3 cadres of PLA in an encounter and arrested 7 cadres of UNLF, 7 cadres of NSCNK, 5 cadres of Prepark Pro, 6 cadres of Prepark, 4 cadres of PLA, 8 cadres of KYKL, 1 cadre of JetUF, KCP and Prepark VC, and 3 underground workers of UNLF, Prepark and KYKL during operations from August 1 to September 15. In a press release, the PRO headquarters TG Assam Rifles said large quantity of arms and ammunition including AK-47 rifle, 7.62 mm A1 rifles, 9 mm carbine machine gun, 9 mm pistols, Lathot gun with Lathot shells, Country Med 12 bore single barrel rifle, IEDs, Chinese hand grenades and other assorted ammunition were recovered. A woman was killed in an accident today around 11:45 am near Nongtomban gas bottling plant, Sekmai. The woman has been identified as Dil Kumari Rai and she died on the spot when a passenger bus with registration number MN012012 hit her on the Honda Activa. 50 saplings of China teak were planted inside the complex of Poirei Nawakon at Koirengay today. The saplings were provided by Malem Nganbi Nursery Farm Kangla Sifai Uku Chingjin. Proprietor of the nursery farm also donated 3 bags of rice and 1 bag of potatoes. Bharat Swabhiman Trust Chingwairong also donated kits for yoga and stationery items. The saplings were planted as an endeavor to prevent global warming and change in climate. Vice President of Laimakon Women Abort Kangjam Chanu Sumati, which is running the Poirei Nawakon, lamented the attitude shown by a lady clerk of Social Welfare Department when they went to take certificate for the home.
Social Welfare Department clerk nupi sina nangi pose aina nangi athaba lari ama pugadoi se ai se makha dagi mathak tan thangkatoi ni sigidam da paisa piramu hai akhoi gi home do fit oire haina declaration certificate ama khaki damakta thabani si paisa phangna banati adu nangi se samya ai record chalu haira chanu haira hai mana Sini Manipur ki oriba structure sida akhoi hard work tawba grassroots level da akhoi work tawi adu higher level gi adu gumba habi jabi myam sida di akhoi changchan bangam dawri
u dugi char di wala ko paisa dugi mahau dugi nuai nataba ai gi tegi hau gi bu u jingna haura kanda environment gi uche ki kari gi mayam si kana mayam pano phangkan aina nuai jaba adu khakta gi pandam da aina nasai farm ji tawjuban
11 persons, including church workers and pastors, family of Evangelical Churches Association, fell sick after consuming poisoned chicken during social work at the church. They were immediately rushed to the hospital. Students' organization and civil society organizations said the chicken was poisoned and appealed to the authority concerned to test the chicken. Chingku Village Authority and Chingku Khundrakpam Lokol Kanbalub have opposed the construction of Manipur Film Institute at Chingku Khul in Khundrakpam Assembly Constituency. At a meeting held at the village community hall, the people expressed grave reservations about the construction of a film institute in paddy fields. However, they welcomed the establishment of a film institute in the state. They said the institute should be shifted somewhere else. Jilla Parishad of Khundrakpam Assembly Constituency, Tangkham Harau Rao Pradhan and villagers of the area attended the public meeting.
Film Institute sabasi pam pam de maram de akhoi gi leiriba lanthum punam asi plak matlaga singkhu gi source am fo leitana thawak paikak na bese akhoi sugya ya janing de khaslen leiriba atop manipur bhum jaga singda local sabiyo ha khoi film institute sabada I think by padi lejade atop pham da sabiyo ha bese akhoi gi arep akhoi gi lengru firemni maramadun atop pham da sabiyo haina appeal tawjiri.
Justice for Sarita campaign initiated by Manipur Olympic Association and Editors Guild Manipur to help boxer Laishram Sarita and her coach Angom Lenin paid $2,000 slapped by IBA after Asian Games concluded today at the conference hall of Manipur Olympic Association. A sum of Rs 1,20,000 donated by 85 generous persons living in and outside Manipur was handed to Laishram Sarita at the event. MOA President I. Hemochandra, Works Minister Dr. K. Ratan Kumar, YAS Parliamentary Secretary M. Prithviraj and Manipur Editors Guild AMOB were among those who attended the event. MOA President I. Hemochandra appreciated the persons who supported the campaign and donated generously to pay the fine on time. On the last day today, the Works Minister Ratan Kumar contributed Rs 15,000, former police officer T.H. Karunamaya Rs 5,000 and Impact TV's director Kate Kellen Rs 2,000 to the campaign.
Manipur Olympic Association yaujaraga si campaign amkoi tawjabani ngasi yam nungaiba numini ngasi madu campaign adu ngasi fruitful oire ngasi Manipur pumada laibiriba akoi kwai punamaki chingtam khungangda laiba city da laiba adagi atai mafam kaya da India gi city kaya da laigraba India gi kona koninda laigraba Manipuri macha ko punamak adagi India gi wamda laigraba foreign countries da laigraba Manipuri diaspora ga koi kwai punamaki koi blessing amaga loinana all the best haining aduga you bring us laurels, bring us glory.
Sarita expressed her gratitude and indebtedness to Manipur Olympic Association, editors Guild Manipur and the people of Manipur. Sarita also said she would try hard to bring laurel for the state.
Puning thagot piba oina smaina mayam Manipur miyamna maru oina moi lawbiraga Manipur miyamna egidama Sarita nang ninghanaba yade nang hena honagadabani haina thauna hapibase yamna laibak phabani yamna nungaijai ai isamak Manipur machamni maitai machamni habadi yamna chauthokjai ai iramdamsida pokjabani khalubada yamna haininga leidana chauthokjai adu ai soidanmaki ai kan honagani mayamna Manipur mayamna well-wisher mayamna aigidamak lepigiba aigidamak support tawbirpasa ai kaidongaido kauroi hena honaraga amtang de ai Olympic sida ai mai paaga Manipur mayambo amtang aigidamak wabigiba adai mayam do amtang ai maithong da smiling face ohen bapami.
Sports. Thao Thammaban has won the 22nd L. Sangeeta Devi Memorial First Division Football League Tournament. In the final leg, they defeated Philo Thammaban 1-0 in the final to clinch the title. The solitary goal was scored by T.H. Vidyananda in the 49th minute. Thao Thammaban and Wafa Wangoi scored 16 points each in the league. LLK Chajing Karam and PFC Pishum entered the quarters of the second Jananeta Hizam Irabot Nixing Thabum 7-a-side open football tournament. In a match played today, LLK Chajing Karam thrashed YDC Kiamgai Muslim 9-2, while in another match, PFC Pishum trounced YSFC Babapura 9-3 to enter the quarters. The first and the second quarter-final matches will be played on the 25th of this month. 11 teams are taking part in the tournament organized by Foundation for Living Kiamgai Mamanglekai. It rained goals in the 56th Subroto Cup football tournament yesterday at Chanambam. As Chanambam Thambo Higher Secondary School, Manipur mauled their opponents from Karnataka in the junior under-17 girls played at New Delhi's New Wellington campground. Chanambam Thambo Higher Secondary School from Manipur swallowed up Phoenix Residential Public School from Karnataka with a 27-0 verdict. The schoolgirls, led by A. Raja Devi, who scored a dozen goals, never allowed the ball go beyond the opponent's goal. Assistance for the Manipur's highest goal getter came in the form of teammate Kasminia, who found the target 8 times. Then there were Ranjita Devi, Yumnam Lakshmi Devi, P.H. Sanat Thopti Devi and E. Devala Devi, who contributed to swell to their kitty. The second league round of the 35th Junior Boys State Volleyball Tournament ended today. YDC Urambam beat KYVA Khoizuman 25-22, 25-21. PBM Wangjing beat YVA Urambam 25-20, 25-23. LFC Ngaikong Kunau beat LSA Lilong 18-25, 25-19, 16-14. In the second league round of the 14th Sub-Junior Boys State Volleyball Tournament, Sewa Nacho defeated PBM Wangjing 25-23, 25-17. IKYC Irangbam beat KYVA Khoizuman 25-23, 25-22 and YDC Urambam beat RYC Moidangpok 25-24, 19-25, 15-8. In a match of the 11th Players Trophy League Kam Knockout Open Kang Tournament played today, Singjamai Kangkhut and KKCO Kasamthong Kangkhut ended in a draw with 12 points each. 11 Kangkhuts are taking part in the tournament organized by Yaskul Kangkhut at Sri Sri Gopal Dev Mandap Yaskul, Chinga Kamlekai. Aku Kangkhut Thammaban will play Nika Kangkhut Nilakuthi on the 25th of this month. Kondrakwam Kendra Kangkhut entered the semis of the third Koizam Yaima Singh Memorial Kendra-wise League Kam Knockout Kang Tournament. In a match played today, Kondrakwam Kendra Kangkhut beat Thongju Kendra Kangkhut A 2017 to enter the semis. Kendra Kangkhut A and Wangoi Kendra Kangkhut will play the fourth quarter final match of the 25th of this month. Manipur Sub-Junior Carom team today left for Raipur. 7 boys and 3 girls from the state will compete in the 43rd Sub-Junior National and Interstate Carom Tournament, which will be held from September 27 to 30 at Chhattisgarh's Raipur. International Carom player M. Madhov is manager of the boys team, while S. Ranibala is the manager of the girls team. Members of Manipur Carom Association whisked the team during the standoff. Manipur Cricket Association condoled the death of BCCI President Jagmohan Dalmia and former Manipur Cricket Association Joint Secretary Ngangwam Sarat Kumar. A condolence meeting was held at the residence of Manipur Cricket Association. President MLA N. Biren, a 2-minute silence was observed as a mark of respect to the departed. Sports articles including uniform were distributed today to the players of Divine Club Hairok, who will participate in the 2nd Division Football League 2015 organized by District Football Association Thoubal at the DLC office. They were sponsored by President of Divine Club Hairok and Education Minister M. Okendro Singh. Mahindra has launched its new TUV Tough Utility Vehicle 300 at Siv's Auto Tech located at Ghari. Speaking to media persons, Customer Care Manager of Mahindra Northeast Region Gyan Tapas said this new vehicle is based on all new platform and the on-road price ranges from Rs 7.4 lakh. Before we wind up the headlines once again. Sanjan Thong unlikely to be completed before Shanghai Festival. Chief Minister instructs early completion of the bridge. Ima Kaithal showcased in an exhibition at India International Centre, Delhi. And Justice for Sarita campaign ends with presentation of Rs 1,20,000 to Sarita.